Today I am going to work on my drone here. It's like above my head here, and I'm going to change out the harnesses here. A nice, cool little toolkit here. Use a tool to get a tool out. I forgot my glasses. Alright. Let's see. First thing I want to do here, I want to get the pop the cover off of here. Again, final Phillip. If I remember right, I had two different size screws coming off of this. You're going to want to keep them all together. Going to this extent, it's easy by just keeping it's a super small one. Yep. These top ones are same thing. Now if you ever want to replace this whole gimbal, the whole thing, camera and everything, it's going to run you about $300. I'm wanting to do that. There you go. There's the back cover. I suggest put the screws right back in the same hole, so when you go to put back together, I know where they came from. I really hate micro. And of course, the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to spend $300 on now a drone that's only worth about $300. Because they will get you now. They will get you now in repair costs. And this has got. What does it? I can't remember. No. Okay. This is your sensor here. And now you got the, so we can see, we got the little ribbon attached to this. A little tool here, shoot out over the top of that. Actually, I forgot, yep, there's two ribbons here, one for the motor, which is this one here. There you go. And they're just little ribbon, they're also ribbons, and they just slide in their little chambers here. Okay. And there's that's your sensor. Keep those together with your sensor cover there. Alright, now you go. You're going to replace the motor. 3 screws here. And you pop that whole thing off there. I think I'm gonna I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I got this separated from this. Little fat ones here. That one's that one. I think, I'm not sure. Can't remember if these are different or not. But you know, you can buy these motors for about $40. You know, and I wouldn't be surprised they don't start going up. Well, it depends on supply and demand. Okay. Now this little ribbon will pop out, and then you get the ribbon on both sides. It appears that the ribbon has got self-sticking tape that keeps it in place. Maybe. Let me just keep that one. Keep that motor in place for the moment. Okay, it's just held in by 3 screws. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that for the moment. Now it appears, it's like I said, the ribbon appears to have, yeah. As I'm looking at the new one, that's covering glue or a glue backing. Same here. So you've got glue. I would say just tape or sticky surface right here on those, and that keeps this ribbon in place. Yep, sure does. Okay. Take care of that. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, we got the motor. That sensor disconnected. Okay, I'm gonna pop. I think this is a cover too. Another fat screw. Part of that motor. Okay. Looks like there's a back screw here. These are all the same size. Piece there. Okay. I got you. It's just a little slide cover. It's a little slide cover, and covers over the your covers more of the harness. Okay, keeps those two. Keep those screws together with that one. Okay. Why that doesn't pop off of there. No, it does. Gotta use the primer. Okay. Screw? I think that thing comes off. There's something. I don't want to mess up the connection here. It doesn't seem to want to let go though. No, I'm gonna go after the camera. Okay, yep, those are the stars. The camera backing is a star. Oop, too big. Yep, right there. Like a 16 B star, something like that. I've already had these apart in these videos. Me pulling the camera apart, inspecting it after that major crash I had. What happened is I was about 400 feet, coming down at about 300 feet. What I suspect is because I was coming down so fast, I had blade protectors on here, and one of the blade protectors bent and hit one of the blades. And not a good thing, because she fell, I figure, from 300 feet. There we go. Alright, there's the back for that one. And there's the harness right in there. And it comes around to that. Where it goes. It's that one there, and it looks like it spins around here a couple times to give that extra. So this is flexing pretty good. So as I can see, it's part of that. Part of that little swivel there. It's gonna pop out of there.